Oh, is that the flea market we always go to?
Yeah, like it, bubble.
Oh, it's a different one. Weird.
What does an alligator say?
Jump, jump, jump.
What
Oh.
about an elephant?
So that's nice.
What about
Something.
a pig?
Moo.
A pig says oink oink.
A big day.
Oh.
What does a monkey say? What about a dog?
Woof, 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 woof.
And a kitty?
Meow.
And a frog?
I was like Jack.
Baby.
Dumb cat.
Rabbit.
What's a bear say? What about a lion? What about a dinosaur?
Sound like you said rubber bars.
What does mama say?
I love you.
What does Micah say?
I love you. What Laura do?
What does Laura say?
I love you.
I love you. What about Nina? What does Nina say?
I love you.
Cuckoo!
That's you. That's what Nikki says.
Hey kisses, I love you. What my kid says, I love you.
Is that what people say?
What does a violin say? What about a drum?
From like big from like a my gosh.
What about a guitar?
Round.
What does a bass say?
What does yellow say?
What's a cello say?
What does yellow say? Like a Nina's.
Like a Nina's.
Like a Nina bass. Like a Nina bass.
Like a Nina bass.
Like a Maca
Pretty
bass.
sure a bassist says something racist
Like
and then start
in a
playing like a
bass.
chord.
You know
Like
she's
a
recording
Maca
this, right?
yellow.
Oh. We're bouncing all over the place.
When. Like a guitar.
A guitar says brum, brum, brum.
It does now.
What does a xylophone say? Can you say xylophone? What is it? Can you say xylophone? Can you say cappuccino? Cappuccino. Blah, blah, blah. Can you say Mama wants a cappuccino?
Mama cappuccino? That yummy cappuccino.
It is yummy.
Yummy cappuccino.
Yes, it is yummy. Okay, say bye-bye.